In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calculated column in Power BI. We'll walk through the exact clicks and show you a few useful examples so you can start enriching your data right away. First, open your Power BI desktop app on your computer, then open one of your reports where you want the new column to live. Make sure your data model is already loaded in that report. Next, switch to the table view so you can work directly with your data. On the left sidebar, click the grid icon to open table view. In the data pane, click the table you want to modify so it's selected. This focuses the tools on that table's data. If you don't see the table you expect, expand your fields and confirm you're in the correct model. Now you're ready to create the column. Look up to the top ribbon and select Table Tools. If you don't see Table Tools, double check that you're in table view and that a specific table is highlighted in the data pane. Then click New Column. This action opens the formula bar across the top where you'll write the expression that defines your calculated column. Let's look at 3 example formulas you can use. For a simple math example like adding sales tax, type this into the formula bar, sales with tax, table name, sales, 1.10. This multiplies the sales column by 1.10, adding a 10% tax. Adjust the percentage as needed and make sure the column name, sales, matches your actual field. For a quick way to categorize text based on a sales threshold, use this. Sales category, IF, table name, sales, 500, high value, normal. This creates a new column that labels each row as high value when the sales amount is greater than 500 and normal otherwise. You can change the threshold or the labels to fit your scenario. To build a combined identifier such as a region plus product key, enter region product key or table name region and table name product. The ampersand joins text, and the hyphen provides a clear separator. This is great for unique keys or more informative labels. After you confirm the formula, Power BI creates the column and adds it to your selected table. You can immediately use it in visuals, slicers, or further DAX. If something doesn't work, check that you replace table name with your actual table name and that the column names are spelled exactly as they appear in your model. That's it. Simple, flexible, and powerful. Thanks for watching.